One of the most persistent challenges in the space domain today is the fragmented nature of mission execution, with critical delays introduced by disconnected value chains, supplier dependencies, and non-standardized integration cycles. At Dhruva Space, we are addressing this challenge head-on by offering full-stack, vertically integrated space infrastructure delivering satellite platforms, subsystem engineering, ground segment support, and launch coordination as a unified solution. Our upcoming facility, in fact, represents the next leap in capability maturity. Purpose-built to accelerate mission readiness and scalability, this 280,000 square foot facility will support the design, manufacture, and AIT of spacecrafts of up to 500 kilograms, including solar array manufacturing, mission payload integration, and qualification-grade environmental testing, all under one roof. The facility is architected for throughput, modularity, and precision, in line with both commercial and defense mission requirements. By consolidating these workflows into a single high reliability mode, we reduce programmatic latency, de-risk mission timelines, and enable responsive space deployment at scale. This strategic infrastructure development has been made possible through the continued backing of our investors. We are especially grateful for the catalytic support provided by the Indian Angel Network Group IN Fund and Ashva Capital, as well as SilverNeedle Ventures, Global Investment JSC, IvyCap Ventures, Mumbai Angels, and Blume Founders Fund, each of whom has played a critical role in Dhruva Space's growth trajectory. We also extend our sincere thanks to the Technology Development Board and SIDBI, institutions whose support is especially meaningful given their government mandate to champion indigenous innovation. Their belief in India's space tech capabilities not only validates our roadmap, but also provides strategic confidence as we scale with both velocity and national relevance. With this facility, Dhruva Space is deepening its commitment to building sovereign, export-ready, and mission-assured space solutions, engineered right here in India for the world.